Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube video where we explore the world of marketing design service on Fiverr, the ultimate marketplace connecting businesses with talented designers who can elevate the visual branding and create captivating marketing materials. And to get started with this wonderful service on Fiverr, simply head over to Marketing Design Fiverr and choose the first link, 24 best marketing design servers to buy online. Or you have other choices here for the same thing. I will choose just this one here. Now, for the people this is the first time here about Fiverr, let me tell you, is a leading online marketplace where businesses and individuals can find skilled freelancers offering a wide range of services, including marketing design. And if you're looking to elevate your marketing materials and create competing visual, Fiverr provides a platform to connect with talented designers who specializes in marketing designs. And there is here the homepage or the interface of the service of in Fiverr, where you can find all the key features that you absolutely gonna need on Fiverr: graphics and design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and technology, photography, businesses, and IA services. There is a lot of services here that I did it already in my channel. You can just check them out to know them all. And we have this search bar here, and if you have anything specific in your head, because the number here of the results is very big, 5,593 service available is very big number. You can just write what you have in your head to find the results very quickly. You can search by the color, the name of the seller, the purpose, or anything else. We have the notification here, the inbox, and also the list, the orders, and the accounts. I showed you before in my account how to create an account on Fiverr. You can just check out the last videos in my channel. And here we have the profile, the post request or refer friend, or if you want to become a seller, and also the setting, that means the password, the photo of the file, the username, and all of that, and the information about the billing and the payments, and if you want to change the language or the currency. And also, if you have any problem or issue, you can just go to the help center or log out from your account. So now this is the results here. So Fiverr boasts a diverse community of designers with expertise in marketing design. You can browse through their profiles, portfolios, and review to find a designer who link with your brand styles and messaging. And also Fiverr offers a variety of marketing design services like you see with me here, allowing you to create customized materials that resonate with your target audience, from eye-catching social media graphics to engaging infographics and compelling ad designs. You can find designers who can bring you marketing vision to life. Like example, if you find here this one and it's like you and you want to keep it to see it later or buy it later, you can just click on this one here to save to the list to find it later in your lists over here. And the freelancer on Fiverr provide marketing design services at different price points. We will see them right now. To find the person page, you need just to click on the gig that you want to buy, and the first thing you need to know the seller who is, the level, and also this is the sentence that he presents his gig for us, how many stars he gets, how many people buy the gig, and price. You will find this over here. Now let's try to buy the gig. So you see these plans here, or the presents. You can explore various present package based on the complexity of the design, the number of deliverable, and the experience level of the designers. and you will find the contact here, because Fiverr provide a platform for seamless collaboration and communication with your chosen designer. You can discuss your marketing objectives, provide specific instructions, and work closely with the designer to ensure the final design capture the essence of your brand. So let's try to see all the designs for this gig here before we buy it. And you can get the full screen from here. And you need after that to read all the information about the gig, and also about the seller, like example, the country, the language that he talks to communicate with him, from when he is member in Fiverr, and also the last delivery. And here you will find if it's online or offline, and also you will have some overview from another person to help you to choose the gig perfect for you. They can recommend you or not. Now let's try to choose a plan from this here. We have three ones: the basic, standard, and the premium. The basic is already the most cheap one, $45. It's called 3 banners split layout and 1 big creative split. Okay, 40 days delivery, one revision, and you will get 1 design included. The standard one is with $50. It's called 3 banners layout, and also with this services here, 40 days delivery, 1 revision, 1 design include. The premium already is the most expensive one. Here is with $55. It's called 5 banners layouts. This is here is different than the standard and the basic. You have 40 days delivery, 1 revision, and 1 design includes. So after you choose the plan perfect for you, you need just to click on continue and choose the quantity that you want from the gig. Of course, the price will be different. And if you want to add any service with their own price, you need just to click on this place here to add it to the price. Now, before you enter your information of the payment card, you need to read carefully all this information here to see how much you will pay to buy the gig, and also the services that you will get. So the total will be $55.25, and the delivery time, the total one will be 16 days. And after that, you need to choose the payment method. We have by credit card or by PayPal. If you choose this one, you need to get your card number. It's contained in 16 numbers. You will find this front of the card, the expiration date, the month, the year, security code in the first and the last name, and these two should be legal. And click on confirm and pay. And if you choose the PayPal, you need just to click on it and click on PayPal and checkout, and you will buy the gig successfully. So this will be the last of our video. I hope you get understand. If you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see for more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, let me say you or tell you bye bye to the next video and next website.